I'm just totally stranger here in Palo Leyte. I just happen to get as a landscape artist, I'm a landscaper. There was my client, nakita lang din nila ako sa story ko, sa YouTube. And then they pick me up and then yun na, I'm from New Zealand, go straight to Palo Leyte. Ako yung kontrata and one of a sudden, dito kasi nakita ko, that time, something like soft opening pa yung Fans Hotel. So dahil nga landscaping company ako, meron din kayo downstairs, may grocery kayo na kumpleto. So I have to pull out all my resources sa isang shop lang. So namalengke ako sa baba. But definitely, when I peep on, Fans Hotel, love the ambience because so modern and at the same time, the aesthetic is so swak na swak. So I love to say, I happen to get twin rooms at the time. And especially, sobrang ganda ng pagkaayos ng sa loob, lalo na sa CR, sobrang linis, lahat ng facility. Not because bago kayo, but definitely, perhaps, kung makikita mo yung pagka-functionality ng room is so swak na swak. Lalo na pag stranger ka, it has to be homey. Kasi nga, di ba, I travel so much. And to add more, nung in-invite ako ng one of your staff na dito daw mag-breakfast. I am so surprised. Napakaganda ng mga furnitures ninyo. Meron pala kayo dito sa 6th floor na napakaganda ng makikita nyo yan sa your story ko, na ang background is yung mountain. So greenery. Parang nasa lang ako, nagbakasyon lang ako ng Japan or Korea. So, as a landscape artist, I really appreciate the scenery and of course, yung pagka-position ng furniture. And sobrang ganda. Well, definitely, I'll be back here na mag-chill out sa gabi.
Yes,
I love it. Parang one of a kind na hindi ko lubos maisip na yung meron pala dito sa 6th floor na ganito. So, it's surprising at the same time impressive. Guys, you're here in Palo Leyte, the newest Fans Hotel. So, number 1 fans na nila ako. Very cozy place and of course, very impressive in terms of cleanliness. So dito na kayo cleanliness, the accommodation, the services, the staff, and the functionality. Sobrang ganda ng kanilang room, lahat. State of the art yung mga facilities nila. So definitely guys, you have to visit here. Try nyo, kahit taga Palo Leyte kayo, why don't you try to have a relaxations here in this hotel? Meron silang family room, meron silang presidential suites. Marami silang combinations and variety of their services that they offer. Well, definitely, kahit sa sariling Palo Leyte, Tacloban, and here, kahit sa Nakaratiga, Eastern and South Leyte, you must have to visit here. Nasa center of the city and municipality siya. Pag downstairs ako, walking distance lang yung pinaka-basic and pinaka-sikat na mga food chain like the Jollibee, Chowking, McDonald's, Andox. Yan, nandito lang. So, pagbaba mo lang, walking distance lang. So, affordable na, accessible pa, and super impressive, napakaganda pa.